What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another unboxing and first impression video here on my channel. So today I have a little microphone, a Blusmart Condenser microphone, which is used for Android and iPhone devices, but you can also plug it into your computer. And it has a lapel clip, and I would say let's get right into it after the intro. Alright, so this package arrived today from Amazon, and as I said in the intro, it's a omnidirectional condenser microphone used for iPhone and Android smartphones, but you can also use it on your Mac or PC. It's by Blusmart and it has a lapel mic, and I would say let's open this real quick and see what's inside the box. Not the nicest packaging, looks like it's one of those China things, but here we see we have a little pouch. It says Blusmart on it, so let's see what's inside that pouch. Comes in pretty handy, that pouch, so you can take this with you wherever you go. Alright, so we have this thing here, some cables, a little manual, put this aside, and the mic itself. We have a little pop filter on here already. We have another pop filter here. Then this is a 3.5mm jack, and this is used for smartphones. You can see that here. Put that aside as well. And 3.5mm jack. This is, don't know for what this is. Maybe just if you need to corner for something, if it doesn't fit otherwise, like, as you see that's a bit shorter. Yeah, so I would say that's it for the unboxing, and I would say I will hook this up to my phone and we'll be back with the recording from the Blusmart condenser microphone. Alright, so I'm on my Mac now, and as you can see I opened up Audacity and I'm connected to the Amazon Basics desktop mini mic. I did a review for that as well. It will be linked in the info section and also in the info cards, so you can check that out. I'm sitting away around 15 centimeters from the Amazon Basics mic, and the Blusmart is clipped on my shirt around 10 centimeters underneath my mouth, or maybe also a bit more, maybe also around 15 centimeters. So you can hear the Amazon desktop mini mic right now, and I will not edit any audio here, and I will switch now, and you will hear the sound of the Blusmart from now on, and you can decide which one you like better. I would say the Amazon Basics desktop mini mic is around twice the price, if not a bit more, than the Blusmart. It's a desktop USB microphone, so whatever you prefer. The Blusmart is nice to carry around and to hook up to your phone. And let me know what you think about the sound quality. I will leave the audio untouched, so I will not make any corrections to it. If you like the microphones, check them out in the description. I will leave the links to them. And if you like this video, leave a like and hit the subscribe and bell button so you get notified about all my upcoming videos. Thanks everyone for watching, and see you next time.